wish I could have been there to celebrate this day with you, but I guess we'll have to wait for it. I've been really missing our laughathons, and I wish we can have one of them very soon. Wish you a lot of love, lots of hugs, lots of kisses, lots of good health and happiness in the years to come. God bless, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye.
Dearest Chunnu Didi, many, many, many happy returns of the day to you. Happy birthday. How are you doing? We are really missing you, and we are missing actually our annual get together in Mumbai. We visit always around this time, but unfortunately, we were not able to make it. But I'm sure this too shall pass soon, and we will be able to meet soon. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday today. Stay blessed, stay healthy, keep smiling, keep spreading your infectious smile and positivity around, and stay safe. Enjoy your birthday, and may God bless you always. And lastly, I would like to thank you for everything you have done for us over the years, and we all love you for that. Take care. Love you. Stay blessed. Happy birthday once again.
Many,
Bye.
many happy returns of the day, Chunu Bua. Have a great day and a great year ahead. We can't wait to celebrate with you. Once again, many, many happy
Hi
returns of the day.
Chinubua, many happy returns of the day. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope you're staying safe during these unprecedented times, and hopefully we can meet soon. Obviously not right now, what's going on, but hopefully soon. Maybe everything becomes all right in December, who knows, but it's been a long time, so hopefully we can catch up soon, and I hope you have an amazing day. Stay safe and enjoy it with your family.
Happy birthday, beautiful. I'm so lucky to have you as my friend. I hope your days as special you are. You are such a sweet and pure soul. You deserve all good things comes your way. Love you, darling. Love you.
Dearest Chunnu, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with excellent health, wealth, happiness, and abundance in everything that your heart desires. It's been ages since we have met. Look forward to meeting you very, very soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care.
Today is your birthday, and we are all in the same town but cannot meet. But our hearts are always with you. We want to wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Madhu. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kaki-san.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Kaki-sa. Enjoy your day. Have fun.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marcy. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, gorgeous Madhu. Wish you a very happy, fantabulous birthday. Hope you have a good, awesome, wonderful time. A nice celebration with children. Wish we were there to celebrate the occasion. All hum saath saath. Hope we were all there together with you. Have a nice time with family. Enjoy. Wish you once again a very, very happy, wonderful birthday. May God bless you. Have a good
Happy birthday to my young, glamorous friend Madhu Rani. May you have a wonderful day with your family. All the very best.
Happy 18th birthday, Kakisa. Wishing you a super, super, super life. Have a great day. Have a great year. Love you.
Dearest Chunnu, Pyari Madhu, wish you a rollicking, amazing time on your birthday, the big one. Hope your family is around you, your children are there to celebrate this special, special occasion. Have a wonderful time and wish you a wonderful life ahead. Lots and lots of love. Bless you.
Happy
Bye.
birthday to the most beautiful, charming, stunning, gorgeous, and enchanting friend of mine. Wishing you loads and loads of happiness and good health. Have a wonderful celebration and a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, gorgeous. I'm sure you're getting pampered today, and you should. So, hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. And may you get all what your heart desires because you richly deserve it. You're a beautiful, wonderful friend, and I can't wish anything more for you than all the happiness in this world.
Wishing you
Rock
very
the
happy
60.
birthday, Madhu. Stay happy and safe.
Happy birthday, Madhuji. Wishing you many, many happy returns
Happy
of the
birthday,
day.
Kakisa. Have the best day. We're missing you all, and we're missing all our dinners. And I won't miss any now after lockdown. Happy birthday, Kakisa. We miss you so much. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Chunu. Happy birthday, Chunu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chunu. Happy birthday to you.
Wishing you the best birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Madhuji. Wish you all the best on your day. Hope you have a great day and all the best. Love you all. Miss you on your birthday.